Hello, welcome to Mark's Ketovore Recipes. Every Tuesday, I'd like to release a video of a recipe that falls in the Ketovore eating plan. I'm getting this recipe out of this cookbook I got a couple years ago from my grandma for Christmas, I think. Pretty sure that's where I got this book. It's from Urvashi Pitre. Um, Sorry for my pronunciation on her name. It's a pretty simple looking recipe. It looks like you just brown the sausage, and put the rest of the ingredients in. Italian sausage spinach soup. It's fascinating how many recipes are named after the ingredients in the recipe. Yeah, they compare it to Zuppa Toscana. Not sure the pronunciation of that either, but apparently Zuppa Toscana has potatoes in it, and obviously this won't. So let me go ahead and get started and just show you what's all in it. And here's all what's in it. Starting off with 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 pound of hot Italian sausage, 1 cup of diced onions, 3 cloves of minced garlic, a 12-ounce package of riced cauliflower, thawed in the refrigerator overnight. Same with the chopped spinach, 4 cups of chicken broth, half a cup of heavy cream, half a cup of Parmesan, and 2 teaspoons of black pepper. And almost forgot, 1.5 teaspoons of salt. Anyway, so let's go ahead and get started. Get the 2 tablespoons warming on medium heat. Let's get that warmed up while I measure everything out. And now to cook the sausage. Just let that brown up on medium heat. And it's another interesting recipe where it has add oil to cooking sausage or the meat, because in my experience cooking this stuff, sausage usually has enough grease to cook itself, but that's just following the recipe. Okay. Now that the sausage is almost cooked up, I'm going to go ahead and add the garlic, most of the garlic, and onions, and let that cook for a minute. It doesn't say to do that, but it also seems to imply that the onions are supposed to be thawed before cooking. But so I'm going to cook that so they can thaw the onions for a bit. So now to add in the spinach and cauliflower. I'll let that cook up for a minute too, because for sitting in the refrigerator all night, it's still not thawing out fast enough. I'm not sure if I should mention that to my landlord, but refrigerators running too cold would be an interesting complaint. But anyway, bless you. All right, now to add in the chicken broth. I'll let that come to a boil. Now that's boiling, I'll go ahead and reduce heat, and I'll let that cook for 3 minutes. Okay, it's been cooking for about 3 minutes. So now I'll add in the Parmesan. And the cream. Listen to the stampeding dog. Get that mixed in. It says bring back up to a simmer. It says to let it cook until the cheese is melted, which shouldn't take very long. I just noticed that it didn't say to drain or rinse the sausage before adding in the rest of the stuff. Oh, yeah, fat is good for you, right? Ooh, anyway, now the pepper. I'll get mixed in. And the salt. And looks like that's it. Yeah, I'll give it a minute to cool down before putting it in bowls. So, okay, and there's the finished product. Normally I do a taste test, but roommate's up and I don't want to bother him. Anyway, damn dog's doing laps around me. Uh, but yeah, that's a pretty simple recipe. That's kind of the recipe I'm looking for. Just brown the meat, put everything in the pot, kind of recipe. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe, and all that good stuff. Every Tuesday, I'd like to release a video that falls in the Ketovore eating plan. So, thanks for watching, and have a nice day.